In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll walk through setting up scheduling in Squarespace so clients can book time with you quickly and confidently. First, go to Squarespace in your browser. From the main dashboard, click on Scheduling. This opens the scheduling area where everything related to bookings lives. You'll see the Set Up Your Scheduling page. Think of this as your control center for services, availability, and the look and feel of your booking experience. Next, click on Appointment Type. This is where you define what people can book. Start by giving your appointment type a clear descriptive name, something your clients will understand at a glance. Then include the duration. Choose the amount of time the appointment needs, whether that's a quick consultation or a longer session. After that, include the price. Enter the amount you want to charge. If a session is complimentary, set it to 0. Double check the currency and make sure it matches your site settings. When those details look right, click Create Appointment Type. That saves the service and makes it available to use. You can also set availability, which controls when this appointment can be booked. Align it with your real working hours, and consider leaving buffers before and after appointments so you're not rushed between sessions. If your schedule changes seasonally, you can update these windows later without recreating the service. You can edit here at any time. If you notice a typo, want to adjust the length, or need to change the price, open the appointment type again, make your changes, and review the summary so everything stays consistent. Once you're done, just click Save. Saving locks in your updates and ensures anyone visiting your scheduling page sees the latest information. Finally, you can also design the scheduling page by clicking this to open the design options. Go to Styles to fine-tune the look and feel. Choose fonts and colors that match your brand, tweak spacing for readability, and make sure buttons are easy to spot on both desktop and mobile. A clean, consistent style helps visitors feel confident about booking. That's it. Set up, customized, and ready to share with your audience.